Indeno riwruok mar kanisa NCCK dwaro mondo piny owacho itoko chenro manyien mar okumba mar thieth SHIF ka giwacho ni en kod ng'ikruok modhuro mamiyo jopiny sandore. Giwacho ni piny owacho nokaso chako chenro no ma ok odewo ngima jokenya. Bende gimedo ni jokenya pod onge ng'eyo malong'o ewi chenro ma kamano mowinjo piny owacho nowinjo kuong ochwal puonj kaka notim kod SHIF.
Thomas, KBC.
We demand that the government suspend the implementation of the Social Health Insurance Fund, SHIF, and reverse to National Health Insurance Fund, NHIF, until the Social Health Authority puts all necessary measures and structures in place. Let us not sacrifice any more lives just to get money out of Kenyans. Let us do this, and then we can go back to SHA when all is worked out and life and everybody is stable to move. In addition, we call for a radical change in the benefits provided under SHIF to ensure they match or at least are better than the benefits that we enjoy under the NHIF. It does not make sense to us that Kenyans are now paying more money but are getting less benefit.
If the common man is not fully attended according to his or her needs, how can we convince our members that the SHIF is working? And that is why this forum is calling upon the government to work on clear policies that every person is going to understand how the SHIF is working.
Ramogi en thuolo mar kawo yweyo mokwongo e chenro mar migago kapok adhi e yweyo ayudo ote mar Jen Nyagot kani Busia owacho nomor gi migago erokamano kaeto Milton Ann Morris Dianga wuod Kamgundho aneni maler weche mbadi nyang' mora mokalo Odhiambo Elisha Oliech wuod Asembo Nyagoko wacho ni ojiwo jokinda kaka Mama Hana